Welcome to Verychat, ladies and gentlemen. So I made a video about this project some months ago and it seemed to be making quite a lot of buzz, so I've decided to come visit it again. And here it says a buyback program launching. So the project is said to be supported by OKX, as you can rightly see there, and everyone is talking about it. So back here, one thing I didn't do in the first video I made 7, 8, 9 months ago was the wallet. I didn't touch the wallet, so I'm here to do that right now. And by the way, if you're not already mining Verychat, I will leave you the tutorial I made on how to join, register, and start farming. So you go watch that and get yourself well on your way to go. So let's click on wallet here. Oh, can't see your existing WIPIN wallet. I doubt I did that, so I'm going to close. Due to temporary error, the open WIPIN wallet button is not visible. Please log out and try again. Well, let's see that, even though I'm not sure I created the wallet, but just to be sure, I'm going to log out. So to log out, you click on the settings button at the top right, you scroll down, you click on log out. Now let's log in. Continue with Google. So I've logged back in and let's go for the wallet. Right, so I just wanted to be sure, right? So it's now clear that I did not create a wallet, which I'm already aware. So let's click on create very wallet. Now you set a pin, a combination of 6 numbers. And you re-enter the same pin. So you back up your pin. You provide your primary email. You provide another email in addition to the one you already have. And you check the box to agree to the collection of email. And then you click on create wallet. Backup complete. Pin has been sent to your email. Now let's click on go to wallet. You unlock using the pin you created. Alright, so here we are. This is our wallet. There is Verychain here. There is BNB Smart Chain USDT. So you can actually send and receive tokens. So our Verychain balance is showing 0. Looks like a time will come when our mined Very points will be converted to the token, and thereafter we can see it in our assets. NFTs, there is nothing. So there you have it, guys. That's how to create your Verychain wallet. In the meantime, keep mining, keep doing the most that you can, and I'll be dropping my referral link in the pinned comment so you all can jump on it, register, and start farming. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.